In this section titled What are Distributed Ledger Technologies, we'll explore what a DLT is and how it supports the PISTIS platform. Traditional systems record every operation within a single organization. That works until multiple organizations need to coordinate, prove their actions, or prevent tampering. Centralized models create risk. A single database can be breached, altered, or falsified. Even audit logs might exist only internally, or be incomplete. Distributed ledgers solve these challenges by spreading the record across many independent nodes. Each participant agrees on a shared version of the truth through consensus. Once data is written, it cannot be changed. This creates a transparent and tamper-evident trail that everyone can trust. A distributed ledger has a few defining qualities. It is decentralized. No single entity controls it. It is immutable. Once recorded, information stays. It uses consensus. All participants agree before updates happen. And it provides auditability. Anyone with permission can verify what occurred and when. Blockchains are the most common form of distributed ledger. They store transactions inside blocks, each linked to the previous one. But not all DLTs are blockchains. In PISTIS, we use a blockchain-based ledger inspired by Ethereum's model. In the PISTIS ecosystem, trust must exist between independent actors, from data providers to data consumers. A shared and immutable ledger ensures that every access, every action, and every signature is recorded and verifiable. We never store raw data. Instead, we record metadata. Who accessed what, when, and under which conditions. We also include signed records from the identity wallet and logs from smart contract activity. No personal data is ever stored on the ledger. No files, no payloads, and no payment details. All sensitive information remains off-chain or encrypted, following strict privacy and security rules. Every operation is digitally signed and permanently logged. Any action can be traced back to its source. Smart contracts enforce the rules, and the ledger preserves the evidence. Together, they provide PISTIS with a strong accountability layer that minimizes the need for external audits. Distributed ledger technology forms the foundation of trust in our architecture. By using an EVM-compatible blockchain, we can program rules, trace actions, and decentralize control without losing performance. In the next section, we'll explain why we chose the Ethereum virtual machine stack and how it compares to other distributed ledger options considered during the design of PISTIS.